Bedding sand. Now it's time to install our sand setting bed. We begin by placing 1-inch diameter pipes on our base. These will function as screed rails. Make sure to use rigid pipes instead of flexible pipes, which will ensure a consistent depth. It's best to use ASTM C33, which is a coarse concrete sand. Place the sand evenly around the rails using only the sand you need. Then roughly rake the sand to an approximate depth of 1 inch around the rails. Using a magnesium screed board, smoothly and evenly pull the board along the rails. This will create a 1-inch consistent depth of our sand setting bed. Be careful to avoid walking on the sand whenever possible. This could cause the sand to become compacted in a certain area, which would affect the overall smoothness of the finished pavement. One helpful tip: make sure you only screed sand for the pavers that are to be laid that day. If it happens to rain overnight, any exposed sand will have to be removed and the area re-screeded. After screeding, remove the rails and fill in the gaps. Use a trowel to smooth out the gaps. Remove any excess sand left over from screeding so that the entire area is smooth. There cannot be any high or low spots in the sand, and it must remain a consistent 1-inch depth. Without this attention to detail, any unevenness in the sand will be reflected in the finished surface of the hardscape.